Hello traders and welcome to this video on placing a trade with MT4. It's still Napan here, founder of Master the Markets, Illiterates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are now deciding on the first thing first for placing a trade. You need to know your trade direction. Okay, are you going to take it short? That means, do you expect this to further go down, or do you expect this to further go up? Okay, so that's your trade direction over there. So are you going to take it down, which technically we call it short, and or are you going to take it to go long? Okay, so if you're going long, you'll be buying it. If you're shorting it, then you'll be just selling it. So I'm going to show you all of that in this video. So that's the first thing, the trade direction. Okay, in this example here, I'm just going to show you on shorting this particular trade. Okay, that's the first thing I'm going to be doing. The next thing, what we're going to be looking at, once you've decided on your trade direction, you need three more things for your trade placing. First thing is the entry price, where you're going to enter at. The second thing is your stop loss. Okay, that will ensure that you only risk a certain amount. And then after that, your exit point, or we call it the target. Now, once you're in the trade, you also need to know how you're going to trade manage as well. So quite a few things before you place the trade. Now, above all of this, once you have known all of this, you still need to position size as well. Like, how much of this position are you going to buy? So let me go through one by one. So for example, in this example here, in our analysis, we will look to take this trade short. Okay, short. That means we'll be looking to take it down. And in terms of the entry price, we will be looking to enter on the close price over here. So when the market opens up on Sunday night, I would look to open and enter to go short on the close price. The close price at the moment, it's 116.33. Okay, 116.33 is where I am going to be entering the market to short this current currency. The close price, as you can see over here, you can see on the data window over here, or you can see it over here. When I hover it around there, you can see it's saying that it's 116.33. Okay, right. The stop loss in this case is going to be for the high of this bar. So I'm going to put it for the high of this bar over here. Let me just get that. Okay, on the high of this bar, including spreads, that would be at the price of 119.39. 119.39. Okay. Then eventually the target will be much more further down. Okay. So in terms of just, let's say if I just want to take it out at the low of this price bar, I'm just going to keep it very simple at the moment. So the low of that is 11411. Okay, so 11411. Okay, 11411. So there you go, traders. I've got all my levels. I've got my entry price 116.33, stop loss at 119.39, finally target at 11411. Okay, that's good. So that's the first part, which is done. I know my trade direction. I'm going to go short. I know all my trade details too. The final part is position sizing. Now, how do I do that? You have to take the entry and the stop loss and subtract them to get your trade risk. In this case, when I do that on your calculator or whatever you want to use, 119.39 minus 116.33, I get 306. So that is 306 pips of trade risk. Okay, that is 306 pips of trade risk. Okay, that's what we are looking at. Okay, so once you have done all of that, then you can go online to find out how much volume you need to put into your order ticket. Okay, so to do that, you go on to position size calculator. So this is the My FX Book position size calculator over here. You can just punch that into Google, or you can just put in this URL. And once you have done that, you'll come to this kind of a dialog box over here screen where you put your account size. So let's say, for example, your account size is 10,000 and you want to risk 1%. And the pips, remember, is 306 pips of trade risk, which you calculated. And the currency pair, what you're trading for in this example, it is GBP USD, or we just call it cable. Okay, so once you've done all of that, then it would then tell you over here, let me just erase this away. It would tell you for £100 to risk, which is 1%, you need to risk 3,791 units, or in lots is 0.038. Okay, let me add that into here, 0.038. Okay, so once I've done all of that, then I go on to the MetaTrader platform over here. Then I can then place my trade now. Click on trading, new order over here. It will come up with an order ticket. Make sure it's the right currency. Volume, I enter it into here, which is what I found out, 0.038, right? I will just round it up to 0.03. And then in terms of it's a pending order at the moment, or I can do market execution as well because it's live. I'm entering on the close. Stop loss is 1.1939 and take profit is 1.1411. Okay, that's pretty much it. Remember that I'm going taking a trade direction down, so I'll be selling by the market once the market is open. Okay, and that's pretty much that. That was how you would place the trade. Okay, entry, stop loss, target, trade direction you need, and then you find out what is the position size that you'll be placing at. And once you're in the trade, then you need to trade manage it as well. We do all of this professionally every single day as well on our live trading room. And also, if you would like to ask us any questions, you are always more than welcome to just book a session with us on a live trading session with us one to one, and you can ask us all these questions and we'll help you to place that trade and start your journey to becoming a professional trader. Alright, that's all from me for now on this video on placing a trade with MT4 platform. And as we always say till next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.